Hey, so this here is my Westinghouse 56-inch industrial ceiling fan. I got this thing at Bargain Hunt for $30, and if you look at it here, look at the blade. Somebody has cut the blade here. Here's the top of it, and they've also painted it, but I sanded the paint off to give it that stainless steel look. The blades are metal. Metal bladed, high performance industrial ceiling fan. This is one of those fans that will remove a limb. Look at that blade. Look at that. I don't know if you can. That's very sharp, and it spins fast. So let's go to the wall control. I'll show you this. So it's got 5 settings: low and absolute turbo fan. Low, it blows a fair amount of air. On 5, it feels like it's going to remove the roof of my house. Okay, on low. Let's listen to the startup. I'm not going to get too close to it. Like, get my face anywhere near it because it could cut you open. Cut you open like a scalpel. It's very sharp. It's like a lawnmower on my ceiling. It starts to sound like a helicopter once we get past setting 1. Come over here. Here's a wall control. It's Westinghouse. Let's go to setting 2. There's the other fan. Let me try a better lighting option here, real quick. Tell them about preheat. That's better. Turn on this other light. Don't get any glare. Alright, so now let's go up to setting 3. It really starts to sound like a helicopter on setting 3. There's my other fan. Okay, let's go to setting 4. Trust me, when this thing gets on high, it's like straight out turbo fan. Alright, we're gonna go switch into high real soon. Here's high. That's maximum power I can get. It's fun. It is metal. I'm not gonna even. Yeah, it's metal right there. Get up on the bed. I'll show you. Yeah, tips of doom. Let that thing go. Piece of paper. Very powerful. Alright, just turn it off. Alright, so it takes a while for it to spin down, but we're gonna stop it. Here, it's got a lot of momentum. That is my Westinghouse industrial ceiling fan. Now, is this overkill for my bedroom? Heck yeah, it is. This thing is so darn powerful, it will blow things. And it will shred things because, like I said, somebody cut the blades. Look at that jagged edge. Look at that edge. My camera will focus. It's like a needle. This side, look at that. He did I'm very surprised it's actually balanced, considering how the blade has been cut. So yeah, this is a great fan. I like it. I wish it had a light kit. But hey, it's an industrial fan. Yeah. Bye.